Okay, hi guys, I'm Anthony Lee and I'm going to discuss all about SQL on how to create table in SQL, inserting records in SQL, alter table in SQL, and selecting query in SQL. So first, I'm going to discuss all about on how to create a table in SQL. So first, we're going to create a blank desktop database and we're going to rename it and then save it. And next, okay, we're going to delete the table or close the table. So next, we are going to create a table in SQL. So let's just click the create query design and then click on SQL view. Okay, and then let's create a table by typing create table. So we can create a table by typing create table and type the name of your table. So here I'm gonna make simple database for an employee. So I'm gonna have a employee. So each employee may have a employee ID. So let's put imp underscore ID and let's make it an integer and let's make it not null. Then let's make it the primary key. And for each employee, we're going to store their last name and it's going to be a variable character, and let's just say it's up to 50 characters per name. So next, we're going to put the first name and let's make it a variable, and let's just say it's up to 50 characters per name. And then the address, let's say it's up to 100 characters. And the city, let's just say it's up to 100 characters also. And then let's say each employee has a phone number and let's make it an integer. Let's say that it is done. Okay, then let's close the bracket to finish it off. So if we run it right now, it will create a table. So that's it for creating a table in SQL. So next, I am going to discuss all about on how to insert a record in SQL. So for example, I will going to create a employee called employee ID 1 and the last name, let's just say Hilig, first name Anthony, address, let's just say Corva, then the city, let's say Bugo, and the phone number, let's just type a random number here. So as you can see, I've already inserted a record into this table. So we're gonna save this query. So next, we're gonna use the SQL. So let's create another query and then let's go to SQL view, and then I'm gonna show you how to insert query on it. So first, we're gonna put the SQL insert into the employees and let's put in values. So first, let's insert the student ID. So let's put 2 on it. Then the last name, let's just say EP. Then first name, let's just say Jundri. And then the address, let's say Corva. And then the city is, okay, Bugu. And the phone number, let's just put random numbers again. Okay, and then let's put a semicolon on the last part. Okay, then let's click run. Okay, and then click yes, and then you can see we got a new row inserted. So we're gonna do this thing again if you wanted to insert more queries in it. Okay, then let's save this query. So next, I am going to discuss all about how to alter table in SQL. So here we're gonna change, add or delete columns in a table using SQL. So here we're gonna create a new query. So let's go to SQL view. So here we're gonna type alter table employees. Okay. So all I want to do is I want to change the column called phone number. So we're gonna make it to character 10. So let's run this query. Then and now let's type a 0 in front of the phone, and we will notice at the end is that there is a space. So next we're gonna drop a column which is the city column. So we're gonna type drop column and so run. Okay, so as we can see, the city column is dropped. So next we're gonna add a column. So let's just type add column. So let's put field name. Let's just add birth date. Then let's run it. So as we can see, we can now start entering some dates on it. So okay, let's put some dates on it. Okay. Okay, and then let's save this query. So that's it on how to alter table in SQL. So next, I'm going to discuss on how to select a query in SQL. Okay, so first, we're gonna select all rows that the employees table, and let's say we're gonna select the last name, first name, and the birth date. Okay, and then okay, and then we're gonna run this one. So as you can see, the selected columns appeared in this query. So let's save it. Okay, so that's it.